Myers-Briggs, in my opinion, is a pretty powerful psychological tool. And the reason that I think it is so powerful is because used in the right way, it can give you some insight into your inherent operating system. And it can create a reason for you to grow into other areas because it gives you some idea of where your preferences lie, and so you can be motivated to go into some other aspects and nurture other sides of yourself. Well, here's how this works for exercising. Inherent in exercising, if you're a judger, let's stick with two of the really key parts here. If you're a judger, and that's how you see the world, you form judgments. You say, this is the way that I'm doing it. Well, inherent in judging is starting off. You got a plan, you do X, Y, then Z. The problem with the judger is you start strong, X, and you don't do Y, and you never get to Z. You never get to the second and the third step, unless you can get somebody else to do it for you. But you start, and you stop, and you never finish. And the problem with that is a judger, as a result, can really judge themselves critically and can give a ton of really harsh reasons for why they stopped exercising. And that's a tough, not only a tough pill to swallow, but that's a tough dialogue to listen to. Now, a perceiver can be somebody who can not exercise for months, and then they get really motivated, struck by the change of the season or whatever it is, and they go, I'm going to do it right now, and they exercise really strongly for a month. Now, the difference between these two people are the perceiver has been thinking about exercising for 3 months, and they finally did it for that 4th month, where the judger initially thought about it, started exercising right away, and then didn't exercise for another 3 months. So on the outside, they each exercised for a month, but the perceiver took 3 months to build up the threshold to actually take action. The judger started it and then stopped, but they could have both exercised in the month of August. Now, here's where the power of the Myers-Briggs comes in. If you work with a coach like myself, I've been certified in Myers-Briggs for, I don't know, 10 or 12 years maybe. If you can fill out a form and get your type typed, and you can really use it skillfully, you can learn a lot about what you're avoiding in life and how to grow into it if that's really what you want. So, if you want to exercise and you're just really having trouble, it might be how you're thinking about it. And a psychological tool like the Myers-Briggs can be a great test to give you insight and might give you a new manual or an upgrade on your software to help you get it done. Because making it happen is really what you're looking for, right? So if you like this, shoot me a message. Check out DominicSessa.com. Check out my YouTube for a ton of really great videos. Check out my Instagram, and we'll talk soon.